Hello dearies, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I will be reviewing this PR package from ICOICE color contact lenses. This review video is going to be in English, so bear with me. Let's not wait any further and let's open this PR package. I'll get back to you in a second. So I have unpacked this. By the way, this package they sent me this PR in is completely combustible and eco-friendly. So there is a thing. ICOICE reached out to me and they sent me this beautiful PR package, but do not worry dearies, my review will be 100% honest. So let's not wait any further and let's open this PR package. Oh my god guys, look at this. They have sent me so many things. As you can see, I will show you in a close-up and look at this beauty. I'm very excited about this unboxing slash review since many of you have been asking about good quality color contact lenses in my short videos and TikTok videos as well. I hope this will help you out cause they have amazing range of color contact lenses guys. In case you do not know how to wear lenses or if you are wearing lenses for the first time, it's their instruction manual how to wear color contact lenses. So I will unbox these goods and get back to you in a second. Okay dearies, so these are the goods that have been sent to me by ICOICE. They have been very generous and they let me pick 4 pair of color contact lenses and 2 pair of these amazing lashes of my choice. One thing more, they are FDA approved and you can wear them up to 1 year or so. In case you're wondering what is this cute kitten bear type of boxes for, they are their super amazing lens container. Believe me when I say that you will love them when I unbox them for you. They have also sent me this lens applicator and remover. If you have never used them, you should definitely buy them. It will make your life easy, believe me. They have also sent me this lash adhesive. One thing more, if you are still watching and came so far, then please don't forget to give this video a like, and if you are new on my channel, feel free to subscribe. It motivates me to bring more amazing videos for you guys. So dearies, I will show you lenses first, then we will move on to other products. I will show you each lens and its name, and I will also do a wear test for you. So this first shade is New York Hazel. One thing that I have noticed is they are all about nature. Their packaging is also related to nature as you can see. And this is how it looks on my eyes. It has a very tight pupil hole. I think it's a very unique shade. I have never wear any shade like this before. I don't know why. I feel like a lioness. This second shade is Meta Green. Again, you can see the packaging, it has nature vibe to it with all the green leaves on it. This is what I love about their packaging. And this is how it looks on my eyes. I want to say I am in love with this shade. All the shades are amazing, but this one I tell you dearies, it instantly became my favorite. 2 lenses in a row and so far no irritation or redness at all. This third shade is Veil Aphrodite Green. Again, nature vibes to it. One thing I have noticed in their lenses, it completely camouflages any eye color, which is super amazing. OMG, look at this, how amazing it looks on my eyes. They have definitely justified the name of Aphrodite, as she was the Greek goddess of love and beauty. This is fourth and last shade Veil Hair Blue. I have super sensitive eyes dearies, and I have been trying these lenses in a row, and so far I have no irritation or any other problem, which means they are really made of good quality. I just want to show you how beautiful it camouflages your eye color, so I thought I will put this one on in front of you guys. Look at this, how beautiful it's looking, absolutely stunning. While I was removing other lens, I have accidentally poked my eye. I think I deserve a like for these efforts because I am trying to bring amazing videos for you guys so you can choose right products for yourself. By the way, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite so far. In case you want to buy these amazing lenses, I will leave the link in the description box. By the way, they do worldwide delivery. Now coming to their lashes, one thing I want to mention here, I have also created a makeup look with these lashes, so I have used them. They are super comfortable and nature on lash line and super lightweight. Look at this beautiful pair of eyelashes. It's super wispy and absolutely comfortable to wear. And this is the one I use for my makeup look, and its name is Drama Queen. Moving on to the next pair of lashes, look at this beauty. They are absolutely stunning and so full. Wow. And its name is Enchanting Extension. Do you remember these tiny teddy bear boxes? Let's unbox them. Look at this, dearies. It's so cute. I can't wait any further. Let's unbox this. By the way, they are ICOICE super amazing lens containers. Look at this, dearies. Don't you think it's super cute and absolutely adorable? Let me show you how it opens. It have a lid on both sides like a capsule. And this is how it opens. Last but not the least, this is their lens kit, which contain lens remover and a applicator. As you can see, this one is a lens remover and this is super handy. Let me tell you guys, I have been using this and this is super amazing. Now coming to the lens applicator, I have been using this and it's super comfortable near eyes and it makes your work a lot easier for you. I believe you must have this kit in your vanity. So these were the goods I received from ICOICE. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and if you find it informative, do subscribe because I will keep bringing more amazing videos like this for you. Okay dearies, see you next time. Till then, take care. Ciao.